Here's our preview video for Tuesday, March 30th. And we're going to begin with math. Exit ticket 29. So we're starting a new topic. And we're going to estimate each summer difference to the nearest half or whole number by rounding, and then estimate what your answer will be. That's always a great math tool to use, estimation. After snack, we're going to work on MCAS. I will find out what passage we're going to be reading. I don't have it at my fingertips, but it will be a wonderful one. After special and lunch, we have comprehension day 1. So these are some poetry comprehension. You're going to read A Spooky Night, and then after you read, which of the 5 senses does the author use? Drag and drop which senses they use. Based on the poem, what are some frights? And you're going to use the yellow to highlight the frights. So for each of these, you're either going to underline or highlight, and you're going to answer. Okay, so there are 6 of them: the big game, climbing the peak, taste on the tongue, the dishes, snow day story, and a spooky night. For writing, we're going to begin main event. So lesson 1 is comparing summaries and fully elaborated main events, because sometimes people just want to summarize what happened, but it's important to really elaborate the main event. That's the biggest part of the diamond. So we're going to work on that. After recess for science, we're going to answer some questions. We have some visuals for you to look at. So we're going to look at aluminum, measurable properties, physical properties, mass versus weight, and what volume is. Matter visual. Everything is made out of matter. So we were talking about the zebrafish. You'll know what that is when you when we read in the reader. And then the scientific process that we're going to be following when we do our experiment. And finally, the STEM cycle, which is what we use for Maker Day. Scientists answer questions, engineers solve problems. And they do both of those using technology, math, and knowledge, and engineering. So we're going to use Socratic dialogue and discuss that and have a great discussion. We'll see you soon.